Hey y'all, it's Coco. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. This practice is for releasing back tension and stress. And if this feels something you'll want to come back to later, please feel free to subscribe so it's easy to find when you need it. Let's start by settling in, knees down, hips back, arms long, and release the chest down. Take a slow, deep breath through the nose. Take a long exhale and soften the spine. And just relax as you stretch deeply here and relieve your upper back muscles. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up and walk your hands over to the left. Gently let your head down back to the mat. Inhale, slowly rise up and crawl your hands over to the right and release down. Breathe and relax. Inhale, rise back up, back to center. And then we'll come up on all fours for tabletop. Hands stacked below the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen the spine, curl upward. Exhale, round the back, gently gaze down. Inhale, curl up. Exhale, curl under. And we'll do this for about 2 more rounds. And slowly move with your breath, no forcing. And come back to a neutral position. And we'll thread the needle. Right arm reaches up on your inhale. And you can grab the back of your head with your hand first to deepen in your stretch. Chest rises up before you thread the arm through. Crawl your left hand over towards the front of the mat and then release your head down to the mat as you breathe. Breathe into the upper back. Inhale, slowly release all the way back up. Right arm rises up and then bring it back down to neutral, and we'll rise the left arm up, bending at the elbow, open the chest, release the arm back and thread through temple down to the mat and crawl the right hand forward and breathe. As you inhale one more time, slowly release by crawling the right hand back to neutral, lifting the left arm up and then back down to the mat. Come back to all fours, and we'll take puppy stretch, stretching the arms forward, chest down to the mat, and breathe. Slowly rise back up on your inhale. Step the left foot forward, bending at your knee, and we'll keep our right foot behind us, sole of the foot facing up. Inhale, rise, both of your arms up, palms facing each other for a low crescent lunge. And then we'll take the palms to heart center and we'll twist over to the left. And you can release the arms down to deepen into your stretch here, and just twist and gaze behind you slowly. Deep inhale as you stretch, exhale to release. Palms back to heart center, and we'll come back to center and twist over to the right gently. Stabilize yourself by bending into that knee. Bring the arms down. hands down to the mat, and we'll stretch, folding forward, extending the left leg for a deep runner stretch. Exhale as you release and fold. Inhale as you rise back up. Take the knee back and we'll switch. Right foot planted forward, bending at the front knee. Inhale, rise your arms up as you stretch forward. Palms to heart center, and we'll take a twist over to the right. Release the arms down as you deepen into your twist, anchoring yourself. Palms come back to center, and we'll twist over to the left gently. Come back to center, hands back down to the mat, and we'll push our hips back into a deep runner stretch as we extend our right leg. Inhale, release back up, and slowly release your right leg back to tabletop, and then we'll sit back into a seated position. Legs extended in front of us to prepare for a seated forward fold. Inhale as you rise the arms up gently and fold gently as you exhale. You can reach for your feet or your shins, whichever your preference. Just gently stretching the lower back here. Gently release, and we'll take our left foot over our right knee and twist, gazing behind us as you breathe. Gently twisting the lower back, deepening into the stretch. And release your leg, and we'll switch to the other side, gazing behind our right shoulder, right foot over the left leg. Breathe. Gently release both of your legs, and we'll lower all the way onto your back, and we'll take knees to chest. Gently rock side to side. Soften your breath. Close your eyes here if you like. Gently massaging the lower back. Next, take figure 4, taking your left foot over your right knee, grabbing behind your right knee and extending the leg back. You can flex your foot here. And we'll switch right foot over the left knee, grabbing behind your left knee, and extend the leg back as you flex your foot gently. Slowly release both of the legs back down to the mat. And then take your right foot over your left knee and just bending at your right knee. We'll take a supine twist here. Gazing behind your right shoulder. Just deepening in your stretch by pushing your knee down towards the mat. Release, and we'll switch to the other side. Left knee over the right leg as you twist towards the left. Gently releasing any tension left over in the spine. Let the shoulders melt into the mat. Inhale and release, and we'll relax into Savasana, palms facing up, and let your legs collapse melt into the mat. Allow your body to rest. Notice any change in the back and stay here as long as you'd like. And just soften your breath and relax. When you're ready, take a deep inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and wiggle your fingers and toes. Deeply inhale and exhale. And we'll slowly rise both of our arms up overhead for a deep body stretch, extending all our limbs. And release. One hand over the heart, one hand over the belly. Deep inhale. Exhale, release, and come to a fetal position, just lying on your side for a breath. And when you're ready, slowly rise up to a seated position. Relax into your easy seat. You can keep your eyes closed here just for another breath. And when you're ready, slowly flutter your eyes open. Palms to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining today's session. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.